bit of bonus footage for you guys, me out driving the Fiesta on some really nice back roads, testing out the new solid bushing. It feels great, really tight, like proper. You can see how tight it is now. It just feels much more contact with the gearing. So we're going to drive halfway up here and I'm going to stop and give you my thoughts on it. Right then guys, I've just driven halfway up this mountainside. Beautiful up here. I'm going to stop down the road a minute and show you the view where I am. Back to the gearing. As you know, I installed the solid bush. You just seen the video. It's just like a bonus clip I've added here. And this, just hearing it up there then, it feels great. Honestly, it just feels much more tight. And yeah, there's no really any slouch, wobbliness, slack, whatever you want to call it. It just feels really tight now, like a proper nice solid feeling to it. So it is a good little upgrade to do if you want to get rid of that sloppy, horrible feeling in your gear stick. Go and give J9 Performance Parts a message and say, I want to buy that. I've just seen AJfocus's YouTube channel video and I really want to buy that part for mine. If you've installed it already, leave a comment down below and tell me what you think of it. I'm going to drive back and I'll show you the really nice scenery. I'm on this lovely back road at the moment.